Okay, in this video, we'll do the division and simplify the result to rational expression. So first of all, let's turn the division into multiplication. So dividing a number meaning multiplying its reciprocal, right? So the first rational expression stay the same. Let me just rewrite it. However, the division becomes multiplication and the terms are upside down, right? So that's the reciprocal. Right, so once we turn into multiplication, it's not any different than the problem we did earlier, right? We just have to factor each numerator and denominator. So factor y squared minus 36, that's difference between two squares. So that's y plus 6 times y minus 6. Factor the bottom, that's y minus 4 squared, perfect square trinomial. Okay, factor the top there, that's y minus 4 times y plus 3. Okay, finally, 18 minus 3y, the leading coefficient is negative, right? So you have to factor out the negative sign out. Between 18 and 3, there's a GCF 3. So factor out the negative 3. What's left is y minus 6. All right, so let's cancel out some common factors. For y plus 6, there are no common factors at the bottom. For y minus 6, we can cancel out another y minus 6 there. Keep going. For y minus 4, we can cancel out one of the y minus 4. So the squared becomes 1, right? The exponent of 2 becomes 1. Now, y plus 3 doesn't have any common factor at the bottom, so we'll just leave it there. So now, what's left at the bottom, the top, it's y plus 6 and y plus 3. Right. At the bottom, what's left is y minus 4 and this negative 3. I would like to write the negative 3 at the front. Okay, so this negative sign in front of the 3, I would like to move it in front of the whole rational expression. So on top you have y plus 6 times y plus 3, and at the bottom is 3 times y minus 4. And I hope you find this video helpful, and I will see you in the next video.